Shalom. Deuteronomy 30, verse 2. And when you return to the Creator and obey His voice in all that I command you today, with all your heart and with all your soul, then the Creator will restore your fortunes and have mercy on you. Shuv. Return. The Hebrew word runs through this chapter like a current. Return. And the remarkable thing about Deuteronomy 30 is where it is placed. It comes after the blessings and the curses. After the long consequence. After all the warnings. And it says, even from there, from the farthest place, from the place of consequence, if you return, He will return to you. The door of return is not closed by the depth of the exile. It is closed only by the refusal to return. This is Torah Sax Studio. We are walking through every chapter of Torah, one chapter at a time. Deuteronomy 30 is the chapter of restoration. After all the warnings of chapter 28 and the covenant renewal of chapter 29, Moshe speaks the most hopeful passage in all of Devarim. Return to the Creator, and He will return to you. The word is not too hard. It is not too far. It is near. Open with me to Deuteronomy chapter 30, verse 1. And when all these things come upon you, the blessing and the curse, which I have set before you, and you call them to mind among all the nations where the Creator has driven you, and you return to the Creator with all your heart and with all your soul. Then the Creator will restore your fortunes and have mercy on you. He will gather you again from all the peoples where He has scattered you. If your outcasts are in the uttermost parts of heaven, from there the Creator will gather you. From the uttermost parts of heaven. The distance of the exile does not limit the reach of the restoration. The one who is furthest out is still within the range of what the Creator can gather. Then verse 6, the deepest promise. The Creator will circumcise your heart and the heart of your offspring, so that you will love the Creator with all your heart and with all your soul, that you may live. The circumcised heart. Not the heart that strains to love. The heart that the Creator Himself transforms so that the love comes from within, natural, whole, the way it was always meant to be. Then verse 11, this commandment that I command you today is not too hard for you, neither is it far off. Verse 12, it is not in heaven, that you should say, who will ascend to heaven and bring it to us? Verse 13, neither is it beyond the sea. Verse 14, but the word is very near you. It is in your mouth and in your heart, so that you can do it. Not hidden. Not unreachable. Near. In your mouth. In your heart. If this chapter is speaking to a season of return in your life, write Shuv in the comments. Deuteronomy 30 gives you three things. The door of return is not closed by the depth of the exile. Even from the uttermost parts of heaven, the Creator will gather. The distance of the consequence does not limit the reach of the restoration. The circumcised heart is a gift, not an achievement. The Creator will do it, so that you will love with all your heart and all your soul. The transformation is His work, not only yours. The word is near. Not in heaven. Not across the sea. In your mouth and in your heart. The commandment is not unreachable. It is accessible, right here, right now. What would it mean to return, not to a list of requirements, but to the Creator Himself? In Deuteronomy 31, Moshe commissions Yehoshua, deposits the Torah with the priests, and says to Israel one final time, be strong and courageous. Thank you for walking through Deuteronomy 30 with me. If you're studying through the Torah chapter by chapter, subscribe and continue the journey. Shalom.